Hello, big love, and welcome to the show. Today I'm working on a new painting. This one is called The Last Judgement. This is a subject that I've been curious about over the past couple of months as I watch the world unravel. We are connected. It is undeniable that we are humanity. So as I see others in judgment, judgment is also active within me. Instead of acting out, I am choosing to identify and experience what it is that I'm here to learn in this moment. This painting, The Last Judgement, is my teacher. She is going to take me through the process of understanding what the Last Judgement is, and, if it's possible, that judgment can and will come to an end. In my world, it is clear that judgment comes from a core internal wound that I can, if I'm honest, identify within myself. It has been my work to find these shadows and expose them to the light of my awareness. I feel there is chaos in judgment that obscures thought and feeling and creates isolation. The point of your awareness is to cultivate neutrality or non-attachment. And I don't mean to the point that you're not connected to anything. Neutrality is the inner peace beyond right and wrong, or my truth, your truth. Neutrality, simply put, is triggerless. I have chosen the Ferris wheel to represent the halo of judgment, each compartment a time bomb of thought that cycles around over and over again. As judgment remains unconscious, it returns to sender to diligently strike another blow. He who judges receives the judgment. Buddha, in his moment of enlightenment, came to this understanding. Clearing the body of suffering is the path to ridding suffering from the world. It is the same for judgment. So I've been wondering, will there be a day in our near future when we'll hear ourselves judge and break the spell to heal our wounds, and by doing so create a new reality based on inner peace and acceptance? As we erase these wounds from our memory, we will simply have no reason to judge. The gold beyond the wheel represents the possibility to break the cycle, to allow what you speak, see, and think to heal and renew. When I look out and I see the world unraveling, I recognize that I am in judgment, and this limited perspective is not vast enough to view the truth of what is. Instead, I feel a new world has already begun to emerge. The rampant judgment on the surface is proof of this, because the core internal wound is now exposed for it to be acknowledged and ultimately released. While everyone is caught up in this dance, take a good look around at who your dance partner is. They are simply there to reflect back to you what you don't like about yourself. Soon, the music is going to stop, and your halo of judgment will fall. When it does, peace and acceptance will radiate forth instead. Your last judgment is up to you. Today, next week, or next lifetime.